Boy, I just came home to a broken supply line, but I'm not going to call a plumber. I'll just go ahead and fix it myself. I'm a handy guy. Hey, this is Mendy with my insurance claim expert, here to answer all your insurance related questions. So I'd like to give you some caution that if you're going to have an insurance claim related to these repairs, it's always best to bring in a professional plumber to do this. Why? Documentation. You want to be able to document to the insurance company, this is what happened, this is the repairs that we did it in a timely manner, and this is the expert that can tell you why this was done and what was necessary, etc. Now, nonetheless, you may be the kind of guy that says, I'm just going to do this myself. So I'm going to give you one more piece of advice. Go to the Home Depot and buy those parts that you need. Even if you have a spare valve or spare whatever it is that you by your neighbor's house, instead go to Home Depot and buy it, because like that's going to provide that extra piece of documentation showing on August 31st I bought that valve at Home Depot, etc. And really it's just about documenting the claim, making sure you can prove to the insurance company this is what happened. I hope this information has been useful to you. As always, share some love, like us, comment, share with your friends, and of course, if you have any questions you'd like answered here, email them to questions@pantherpa.com. Thank you. Have a great day.